TV actors who married foreigners: Aijaz Khan and Natalie DeLucio. Popular TV actor Aijaz Khan met his lady love Natalie DeLucio for the first time in Mumbai airport. By profession, gorgeous Natalie is a multilingual singer. Canadian charismatic beauty Natalie fell in love with Aijaz for his generous gesture, but this much-talked Jodi disappointed their fans by breaking up mutually. Ali Goni and Natasha Stankovic. ये है मोहब्बतें. Famed Ali Goni, who is popularly known as Romy, was dating famous DJ Wale Babu girl Natasha Stankovic. Serbian glam doll Natasha Stankovic is already a popular name in Bollywood. But after dating some months, Ali Goni broke up with Natasha due to some adjustment issues and cultural mismatches. Kushal Tandon and Alina Boeva. Kushal and Bulgarian beauty Alina Boeva appeared in famous dance reality show Nach Baliye 5. They got much appreciation for their perfect chemistry. By the end of the show, both broke up mutually. Shahir Sheikh and Ayu Ting Ting. Kashmiri guy Shahir Sheikh fell in love with Indonesian singer Ayu Ting Ting. After staying in long-distance relationship, things did not work between them, and after 1 year, they ended their relationship officially. Purvi Joshi and Valentino Fellman. Actress Purvi Joshi met her man Valentino when she was searching for an apartment in Los Angeles. Valentino Fellman is an American-based financial advisor. Purvi and Valentino were in long-distance relationship before their marriage. Shweta Keswani and Alex O'Neill. Shweta and Alex broke their marriage after 4 years of their marriage. But Shweta was so mad about her foreigner boyfriend Alex that she left her own parents. Alex is a famous actor and musician who was born in Canada but now settled in India. Shama Sikandar and Alex O'Neill. Shama was in depression when she started dating Alex. Alex broke up with his ex-girlfriend to date Shama. Alex and Shama were in live-in relationship, but unfortunately their relationship didn't take off. Suchitra Pillai and Lars Jelson. Talented actress Suchitra Pillai met her foreign lover Lars Jelden. He is a Denmark-based environmental engineer. They met through their friends at a party. They have been married for last 13 years and have a beautiful daughter Anika. Shweta Keswani and Ken Andino. When everything was over between Shweta and Alex, Shweta finally found her dream man Ken Andino. Ken is a US-based lawyer and Shweta met her during a USA trip. Now they are married and they have a wonderful daughter. Shama Sikandar and James Milliron. Shama started dating with her new foreigner boyfriend James Milliron and they were in live-in relationship. James Milliron is an American businessman. They got engaged in 2018. Kashmira Shah and Brad Listerman. Super hot mom Kashmira was in relationship with her American business boyfriend Brad Listerman. They had a simple chapel wedding, but their marriage didn't stay long and after 5 years, they got divorced. Dimple Inamdar and Mark Vikas. Popular TV actress Dimple Inamdar and his long-term boyfriend Mark Vikas got married in 2014. Mark is an investment banker. Akhil Mishra and Susan Bernard. TV actor turned Bollywood actor Akhil Mishra and his wife Susan Bernard have been married for last 8 years now.